Hello Spartans, hope everyone is doing well. Welcome to our dumbbell or other weighted household object workout suggestion video. So today we're going to go through and show you a handful of movements that you can do in your home using dumbbells if you happen to have them, or other options that you might be able to find around the house to add some weighted resistance to these moves. So some suggestions for other things: water bottles, Powerade or Gatorade bottles, laundry detergent bottles is a good one. Just making sure you have something weighted that you can hold during these movements. So we're just going to show you how to do all of them, but the way you would structure these moves would be to do about 10 repetitions of each movement 3 times through. So 3 sets of 10. And this is a total body workout. We're trying to hit every muscle group in the body here. You can pick and choose however you would like to structure your workout. All right, let's get started. So first one, we've got our dumbbells. We're going to do a body weight squat and then add the weighted shoulder press at the top. So I'm going to squat down, shoot the hips back, and then up into the air, palms facing forward. We've got that overhead shoulder press. So giving our shoulders a little bit of love today. Squat down, come up standing, press up. So do that 10 times through. Option number 2, we've got a reverse lunge and a bicep curl. So stepping back into a lunge, we've got 290 degrees, and as we step back, palms face our shoulders and we curl our weights or our bottles or whatever it is up. It's got a nice good bicep squeeze. I'm alternating legs here. Want to make sure each leg gets some love. So you've got 5 repetitions on each side. And number 3, we're going to focus on the upper body here. So I'm going to hinge over, so I've got a nice flat back, and I'm going to row. So palms face each other, elbows up to the ribs, and then reverse fly. So I'm squeezing shoulder blades together. Really focusing on the back here. So barbecue those ribs with the elbows and then squeeze those shoulder blades together for the flies. So with that one, you'd want to do 10 rows, 10 flies. Now here we have push-ups into Renegade Rows. So you're on top of your weights here. You've got your push-up. Then you're going to row with one arm, row with the other. So again, gliding those elbows across the ribs. You can modify this by moving down to the knees for your push-up, or if you want to take the push-up out and just hold that plank position and then get your rows in, you can do that as well. You can do 5 on each side or 10 on each side, however you want to make those 10 repetitions. Onto the back, we're going to get some chest and triceps. So palms facing each other. You're going to start with elbows on the floor, press up till arm is straight, and then bend the elbow, bring the weights back toward the temples. Same thing, you can do 5 of each move, or you can count each move together as 1 repetition. And coming up now, we're going to focus on the core. So in our seated position, we've got our weights here in front. You can be on the heels, or you can bring the feet up off the floor, but we're going to twist, really focusing on the core here. We've got a nice straight back from the base of the head down the spine. And that is it. Those are our suggestions for some nice, simple, but effective moves that you can do at home using your weighted objects. Hope you enjoy. We'll see you next time.